morning, Balers.
I'm Michael Outman.
And I'm Haley Parsons.
And you're watching the Daily Bulletin. Do what you can, where you are, with what you have, by Teddy Roosevelt.
The Winter Homecoming Dance is Saturday, January 18th in the O'Donnell Gym from 7 to 11 p.m. Prices are $10 with ASB, $11 with ID, and $12 without ID. $20 for couples. Come dance the night away to the theme of the Roaring Twenties. This is a semi-formal dance, so be sure to dress your best. There will be a game room and an outdoor area. Professional pictures will be available. Picture packages range from $15 to $75.
Winter Homecoming dress-up days start next week. Monday is ugly sweater / fuzzy sock day. Tuesday is denim on denim day. Wednesday is Western Wednesday, and Thursday is Decades Day. And Friday is School and Class Spirit Hat Day. Make sure to get your outfits ready.
Winter Homecoming royalty will be announced this Friday in the quad at lunch. If your name was on the ballot, please be sure to be there to find out if you won.
Spring sports, baseball, boys golf, lacrosse, softball, swimming and diving, boys tennis, and track and field start February 3rd. You must be cleared to play before you attend tryouts. Please check with Mrs. Doty at the Student Activities Office and Athletic Office in room 329 to make sure you are on the list.
Interested in coming out for boys tennis in the spring? There will be an information meeting on Friday during lunch in room 272.
Well, that looks like the end.